Hey there are a few ways to share your Squarespace website with a client depending on what access they need. I'll walk you through the three main methods in order. First, if you just want your client to view the site without editing, use password protection. From your Squarespace dashboard, click Settings, then open Site Availability. Select Password Protected in the dropdown, enter a password, and click Save. Now copy the URL from your browser, but only the part up to the .com or .co.uk. So if you see something like /config/pages at the end, remove that. Share the cleaned URL and the password with your client. To test it's working, open your site in a private browser window. You should see a lock screen prompting for the password, and once you enter it and press enter or click the arrow, the site loads. If your client needs to edit the site, you'll want to invite them as a contributor instead. Log into your Squarespace website, and the quickest way to the admin panel is to type /config after your URL and hit enter. In the left sidebar, click Settings, then locate Permissions and Ownership. Click Invite Contributor, then enter the contributor's name and email address. Switch the permission toggles to give them the access they need. Turn on the administrator toggle for full access, or pick and choose among individual permissions. Click Invite to send your invitation. Your contributor will receive an email with the subject line New Squarespace Contributor Invitation. They click Accept Invitation to log in with their existing account or create a new one. Once accepted, they'll appear in your panel under Invites Sent. Finally, if you're doing a complete handoff and want to transfer ownership, go to Settings, then Permissions and Ownership. Make sure your client is already added as a contributor first using the previous method. Click on the contributor you want to make owner, look for a Transfer Ownership option, and confirm the transfer. The new owner gets full ownership permissions, and you'll either become a contributor if you stay on, or you can be removed completely. If your contributor isn't getting the invitation email, have them check their spam folder or search their inbox for no-reply at squarespace.com. If they still can't find it, you can click their contributor profile under Invite Sent and copy the invitation link to send it to them directly. And that's everything. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.